In this video, I will show you how to withdraw from PancakeSwap to MetaMask. So this is going to be a full action plan for you. So the first thing you need to do is to log in into your MetaMask wallet and make sure you are connected to Binance Smart Chain, BCS. So this is the first very important step, otherwise it won't work. So next, if BCS is not set up in MetaMask, add it by going to Settings, Networks, and then Add Network. Then you need to add the Binance Smart Chain if you haven't already, of course. Alright, then you need to open PancakeSwap and connect your wallet. That is the step, and you should see your wallet address in the top right, so you can just copy that. Then go to the liquidity or swap section, depending on where your tokens are. And then if your tokens are in the liquidity pool, click remove, then select the amount and then confirm. For swapping tokens, select the tokens you want to change, you want to exchange and withdraw, then click swap and confirm. Then you need to check MetaMask for your tokens. If they do not appear, manually add the tokens by using the import token option. Then paste the contract address of the token into MetaMask if needed, and it will show up in your wallet. So that is basically how you can withdraw money or tokens from PancakeSwap to MetaMask. I hope this video was helpful, and if this was the case, please consider subscribing to the channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.